Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a clothing rod to your cabinet. In your most recent catalog, go ahead and place the cabinet. For this purpose, I've started with an inverted tall cabinet. You'll want to right click on the cabinet and go to attributes, and we will go to add-ons and tall modifications. This clothing rod is in the interior door drawer front modifications section. And when you scroll down through, it is the last item on there. There's the clothing rod, so we'll go ahead and click on it. For this, I just want one, so I'll hit OK. And then let's hit apply and OK, and we'll take a look. Okay, so you can see it placed it in the cabinet. That's, pretty low if you were trying to make it feel like a closet or some sort. What you can do is right click on the cabinet, highlight the mod, the clothing rod itself, and go to attributes. And we'll go to variables and we'll go to dimensions. And you'll notice here it says attach vertical position. It's at 48 inches now. I'm going to go ahead and change that to 75. And we'll hit apply and OK. And I'll show you that should have moved it up in the cabinet to get it a little bit better position to visually show your customer. So it did move it up a little bit. You should always go into the cabinet and attributes and use the notes tab here. And this is where you can type where you want that clothing rod installed. Thank you for your time. We hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics that you'd like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!